Good morning, Bumblebees. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you enjoyed all of our Spring Festival activities. I know that this Spring Festival was a little bit different than our Fall Festival or our Winter Festival, but we really hope you got a chance to do some of the activities at home with your families. And if you did, we'd love to hear which one was your favorite. So please leave a comment to tell us which activity you liked the best. And if you have any pictures you'd like to share with us, please send them in. We would love to see what you created. And also, I wanted to extend the time for our class book. So I said it was due today, but I'm going to extend it until Friday to make sure everybody has a chance to respond to our read aloud of My Garden by Kevin Henkes. We really would love to have as many friends in our class book as possible. So please think about, if you had a magic garden, what would you grow in it? And remember, you don't have to use the sheet that we sent out. You could just draw a picture on a plain piece of paper and just write your name and tell us what you would grow in your magic garden. So please send that to me either on Class Dojo or by email on Friday so we can send out our class book. I'm so excited to see what you come up with. All right, so now let's take a look at today's message. So let's get ready to tap it out. Dear Bumblebee friends, good morning. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. We will play. Love, Miss Malatestinick and Miss Schuttinger. All right, what colors do you see today? What colors do you notice? We have purple, green, and pink. Awesome, and what kind of pattern is this? What kind of pattern do you see? It's an A, B, C pattern. Awesome. So what would come next? If we were going to add one more name down here, what color would we write it in? We would write it in pink. Awesome. So my letter detectives, let's get our magnifying glasses. What letter are we going to hunt for today? What do you see? The letter F. So later, take some time with your families to see how many letter Fs you can find in today's message. And on the picture I'm going to share, there's going to be a special picture. I would love for you to say what letter that picture starts with and see if you can think of some other words that start with that same letter. Okay, so I can't wait to see what you come up with. And Baby Echo is here today to review some of our letter sounds, so let's get ready. Good morning. Happy Monday. M, man, m. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Q, U, queen, qu. R, rat, r. S, snake, s. Good job. So let's take a look at our calendar. Do you remember what month we're in? It's April, and we're in the last week of April. So this is our last week to count on our calendar. So that means our numbers are going to get bigger or smaller? What do you think? What do you notice? Are our numbers getting bigger or are they getting smaller as we go? They're getting bigger. So should we count to see how many days we've had so far in April? Oh my goodness, let's get a marker so we can add to our calendar, and hopefully you can count along with me on your calendars at home. Okay, let's get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So today is Monday, April 27th. Can we say that all together? Ready? Monday, April 27th. Awesome. And what's the weather like today? Meteorologists, take a look out your window. What do you see outside? Is it sunny? Do you see the trees blowing in the wind? Is it rainy? What do you see outside? I know in my window it looks pretty cloudy today. So I'm going to put my arrow to cloudy. Okay. And how does it feel? Does it feel hot outside? Is it chilly? Okay, take a minute to think about that, and you can put it on your weather wheel, your weather graph, or you can practice dressing Wilson. I'd love to see what the weather's like by you today. Okay. And lastly, what do you notice? Who do I have with me today? Who do you see? We have Piggy and Gerald. Oh my goodness. Everyone say hi to Piggy and Gerald. So you see that they're hanging on the wall behind me today. Does anybody know why they're up there? Maybe you could take a guess. Why do you think I have Piggy and Gerald on our wall today? Where do we know them from? Where do we find Piggy and Gerald? Are they in a movie? Are they friends in our Bumblebee class? No, they are, what are they? They are characters in a book. In a bunch of books. We've read a bunch of books with Piggy and Gerald in them. But this week, we're going to be doing another author study. Does anybody remember what an author is? An author writes the words. Should we sing the author song for our families? Ready? 1, 2, 3. The author writes the words. The author writes the words. The author does a special job. The author writes the words. Beautiful, friends. So, who's the author of the Piggy and Gerald books? Do we know his name? It's Mo Willems. Can everyone say Mo Willems? One more time. Mo Willems. Good. So Mo Willems is an author, but he's also a, what else do you think he does? He writes these books, but what else does he do? He draws the pictures. So if he draws the pictures, what do we call him? He's an author and an illustrator. You're right. So today we're going to start reading Piggy and Gerald books, but we're also going to learn how to draw Piggy and Gerald. We're going to be illustrators. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited. So Mo Willems, the author and illustrator of the Elephant and Piggy books, is going to teach us how to draw Piggy and Gerald. So he taught me this weekend, and I put my drawings up here. So he taught me how to draw Piggy, and he taught me how to draw Gerald. So later I'm going to post the video so he can teach you too. Are you excited? Put your hands on your head if you're excited. Put your hands in the air if you're excited. Shake it out if you're excited. I'm so excited. And if you draw Piggy and Gerald, I would love to see. And maybe we can share them all with the class to see how great of illustrators we all are. Okay, so this week is going to be all about Mo Willems, and we're going to start by learning about Piggy and Gerald. Okay, I'll see you a bit later, and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Monday.